Hello and welcome to Rega Achievers Educational Limited, a trusted support for high impact learning. In this video, we'll be learning about recipe. Recipe. What is a recipe? In maths, a recipe is not just about cooking. It helps us understand ratios and proportions. Okay? Now for example, if a recipe uses 2 cups of flour and 1 cup of sugar, the ratio of flour to sugar is 2:1. You see that? Okay, now scaling a recipe. Let's look at what it means to scale a recipe. Sometimes we need to make more or less food. Let's see, a recipe for 2 people uses 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water to make a food for 2 people. If we want to cook food for 4 people, we multiply everything by 2. You see that? Because 2 times 2 makes 4. Now 4 cups of rice, then 8 cups of water. That is it, scaling the recipe. This is called scaling recipe. You know that already. You scale it from 2 to 4. Now, I want you to try this to know whether you understand this. A recipe for 3 people uses 3 cups of flour, 6 cups of milk. How much will you need for 6 people? Pause the video and try that. Our answer is 6 cups of flour. 6 cups of flour, that is what we need. Then 12 cups of flour. Fantastic, good job. Good job, you've done well. I love your understanding. This is Rega Achievers Limited. Please subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and turn on the notification for more videos like this. Bye.